Hi guys, this is the reading of our fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ayan. Hello po sa aking mga avid follower dyan at maraming salamat po sa inyong masugid na paghihintay dito sa ating reading ulit sa ating mga zodiac sign, okay? Tingnan na natin kung anong status ng ating mga fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. And if you want a personal reading, guys, you can just direct message me here in my Facebook account and then ask my admin team for the pricing of the personal reading. Okay, yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading, guys. Okay? At yun lang po. Just direct message me here lang in my Facebook account and then sasagot po sa inyo ang aking admin team para sa inquiries. Okay, proceed na tayo, guys, and then let's see what's happening right now in our fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Oops. The Hangman. Merong hindi makapag-desisyon. Yan. May hindi makapag-desisyon. Kasi this is about money. I think so. Yeah. Wheel of Fortune. I have here the Hangman. Okay. The Four of Pentacles and then, wait. Let's see. I have here from the bottom of your deck is the Five of Cups. Okay. There's something here na parang gusto mo ng ayan na, sorry meron band-aid yung kamay ko, ayan. Kasi na-damage po yung aking kuko, ayan. Meron ka ditong parang gusto ng talikuran o tinalikuran mo na. Kasi gusto mo nang maging wise enough, maging matured enough with this situation, okay? I am seeing this is maybe about money. Kasi puro pentacles yung nakikita ko dito. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay? And then, let's see. Okay. Yeah. May nakikita ako some of you guys. Nag-inom kagabi o mag-iinom pa lang. Okay? With the Four of Cups. Okay? Ayan o. Parang may mag-iinom o mag-iinom pa lang o nag-inom kagabi. Okay? And then I have here the Wheel of Fortune. And the Knights of Pentacles. Alam nyo guys, when it comes to money matter, okay, mahirap talagang magdesisyon eh. Andito rin kasi yung andito yung para kang nag-sacrifice na rin before, okay? With this kind of matter na parang napapagod ka na rin tumulong, okay? Andito rin yung ating Four of Pentacles na kung saan may ipon ka naman pero parang hindi ka kontento. Okay? Kasi parang may pinaplano kang gawin, may iniisip kang gawin pero hindi mo pa magawa sa ngayon. Okay? Let's see. Kung ano nga ba itong iyong pinagkakaabalahan na isipin ngayon. I have here the Wheel of Fortune. Okay? Andito yung may darating eh. Okay? May darating na kaperahan na naman or may dumating na pera sa'yo. Okay? Puro pera yung nakikita ko, puro pentacles. Okay? But then, meron din pagbabago. Okay? Yeah, meron na namang Ace of Pentacles dito, oh. And then, the High Priestess, Queen of Wands. Yeah, you're having let's say, a boredom. parang hindi ka kontento. Okay? Kasi, andito yung kaya hindi ka kontento, guys. Meron kasing dominant energy dito. Andito yung ating King of Swords. Someone is dominating you. Someone is dictating. Okay? May nagdidikta sa'yo. Okay na, ikaw naman, hinahayaan mong diktahan ka. Okay? Alam mo, gamitin mo yung intuition mo, yung lakas ng pakiramdam mo. Kasi andito yung the high priestess natin. Andito yung marami kang malalaman na isang sikreto. Okay? And then, eto ring ating King of Swords. Katabi niya si Queen of Wands. Okay? You may be dealing with a dominant partner. Okay? You may be dealing with a dominant partner na parang laging gusto niya nasusunod siya. Okay? Kung hindi naman, energy mo to. Okay? But I am feeling that you are dealing with a dominant partner like this. Na, kasi eto kayong dalawa, oh. Ikaw naman kasi, mababaw lang yung kaligayahan mo eh. With the Queen of Wands. I think this is you. Okay? Kung hindi ikaw to, ito ikaw. Okay? Take what resonate, guys, ha? Because this is a general reading, ha? Andito yung may nagdo-dominate sa'yo, may nag-hold back sa'yo para hindi ka makapag-decide dito sa gusto mong mangyari, ha? Andito rin yung Ten of Pentacles na merong celebration din na magaganap or merong celebration na naganap. This is about money na naman. Kasi may dumating na malaking pera. Ayan o. Posibleng nakabili ka rin ng property or let's say lupa, ganyan, bahay. Tinan mo, Ten of Pentacles. 'Di ba? And then, I have here the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah? This is really, really a big money, a big, meron talagang may malaking pera, pero may dominant energy akong nafe-feel dito. Okay? And then, nandito yung Knights of Pentacles. Yeah, may slow energy din. Hindi ka talaga makapag-decide with the Knights of Pentacles. Nahihirapang mag-decide si fire sign kasi nandito yung Four of Cups na okay naman, may ipon naman, and then the Hangman nandito rin. Alam mo, you just need to sacrifice or surrender with the energy na hindi ka makapag-decide. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi hinahayaan mong diktahan ka. Okay? Huwag mong hayaan diktahan ka ni King of Swords. Hayaan mong ikaw mismo yung mag-decide para sa sarili mo. Kasi after all, pera mo naman yan. Kung hindi mo naman din pera yan, yun ang problema natin dito. Okay? Kasi nandito yung Four of Cups, parang may boredom. Parang andito rin si Queen of Wands, andito rin yung may pagka-boredom si Queen of Wands eh. Okay? Kasi marami siyang interes. Marami siyang gustong gawin, marami siyang plano, marami siyang alam mo yung marami siyang gustong gawin. Ganon si Queen of Wands, okay? You have to let yourself decide, okay? Kasi tanggalin mo muna din yung toxicity ng pag-inom. Mayroon ako dito nakikita na madalas na pag-inom, ganyan, madalas na hang out with the friends kasi may naboboard, ganyan. Tanggalin mo muna yan, ha? Okay? And then, yun lang, guys. At this is the reading of our fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Yun lang po. At mag-ingat po tayong lahat. God bless and good luck.